Hello guys, do you want to set your phone number visibility to everyone on your Facebook profile and you don't know how to do that? Then don't you worry because you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to tell you the exact way how to set your phone number visibility to everyone in your Facebook profile. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Stark Get YouTube channel on which I upload the latest tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button down below and press that notification to stay connected. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app. After that, just tap at the profile picture in the top right corner and tap at the gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to your settings and privacy, just tap at privacy checkup and go for how people can find you on Facebook and tap continue, tap next. Here you get the option of phone number on the right tab. Just simply tap on it and set it to friends or friends in order to set it to everyone. Unfortunately, we didn't get any option for everyone. We can set it to friends or friends. We have a lot of friends and our friends have a lot of friends, means everyone. And from here you can also set the visibility according to your requirements of your email address. Just select it. Once you're done with all of that stuff, just tap next and tap review another topic. So that's how you can easily set your phone number visibility to everyone or to your friends of friends on Facebook. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you think that this video helped you and you learned how to change the visibility of your phone number and the visibility of your email address, then make sure you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.